Dear parents and students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am discussing the some important SSLC science chapter number 2 applied question answers, that is acids, bases and salts. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ SSLCಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈ ಒಂದು ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಸಿಡ್ಸ್, ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಈ ಘಟಕ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ತಾವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನ ತಾವು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೆಲ್ಲೈಕನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫ್ ಆಗೋ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ಇದ್ದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಅಸಿಡ್ಸ್, ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಈ ಘಟಕ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 acids, bases and salts applied question answers. First question. Lata had a strain of soup in her white cloth. When she rubbed with soup, that strain turns red. After washing it with water, it turns to yellow. What is the reason behind it? 2 marks question. Right answer. Strain of soup contain turmeric. When it acts with soap, it turns red because soap is basic in nature. After washing with water, it turns yellow because water is acidic in nature. Turmeric is one of natural indicators. It turns to red in base and it turns to yellow in acid media. Second applied question. 3 test tubes contain distilled water, acid solution and basic solution. How do you find them when only red litmus is given to you? 2 marks question. Right answer. Litmus paper dipped in each solution. In each process, you should wash litmus paper with distilled water. According to the following observation, you can find the solution. Conclusion. No change in color distilled water. Red litmus turn to blue base solution. Blue litmus turns red in acidic solution. Third applied question. 1 marks questions. Anita's mother always warns her, do not keep curd as well as sugar for food items in brass or copper containers. Or use of curd as well as sugar food items which are kept in a brass or copper containers is harmful to the health. Why? Right answer. Because curd and sugar food items are acidic in nature, which reacts with brass or copper and liberates hydrogen gas along with poisonous substances. Fourth question. HClHNO3 exhibits acid in nature in aqueous solution, but alcohol and glucose do not exhibited acids in nature in aqueous solution. Give the reasons. Or HClHNO3 are the good conductor in aqueous solution, but alcohol and glucose does not conduct electricity in aqueous condition. Give the reasons. 2 marks question. Right answer. Because the dissociation of HCl or HNO3 into hydrogen ions always occurs in the presence of water. Although an aqueous solution of glucose and alcohol contains hydrogen, these cannot dissociate in water to form hydrogen ions. Fifth applied questions. Fifth question. In which conditions does a farmer add lime powder to an agricultural field? What may be the reasons for this? Explain. Or Agriculture scientists have suggested adding a certain amount of lime powder to an agriculture field. Why? 2 marks question. Right answer. Plants require a specific pH range for their healthy growth. The soil of this his land is more acidic. Lime powder is base, so adding lime powders to the soil decreases the acidic property. Question number 6. There is no change in the color of the red litmus and blue litmus paper when introduced into a aqueous solution of sodium chloride. After passing direct current through the same solution, red litmus changes into blue color. Which product is responsible for this change? Which product is responsible for this change? Mention any two uses of this product. 3 marks question. Right answer. Sodium hydroxide NaOH is responsible for the red litmus changes into blue color. Its uses sodium hydroxide uses degrazing metals to prepare soaps and detergents, paper making, to prepare the artificial fibers. Question number 7. NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3 goes to NH4Cl plus X. Name the compound X in this chemical equation. Compound X is a major component of antacids. Why? Explain the preparation of washing soda using compound X with the balanced chemical equation. Right answer. X in this chemical equation is sodium hydrogen carbonate NaCO3. It is used as a major component of antacids as it is a basic salt and neutralizes excess acid in the stomach and provides relief. Preparation of washing soda. It is obtained by heating baking soda. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate give washing soda. 2NaHCO3 goes to 2Ne2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2. Na2CO3 plus 10H2 goes to Na2CO3 plus 10H2. Next question number 8. Name the gas liberated when an acid reacts with metallic carbonate. Write the chemical equation of the reaction. When this gas is passing through the lime water, what is the color of precipitate obtained in this reactions? 3 marks question. Right answer. Carbon dioxide CO2. Carbon calcium hydroxide COH twice plus CO2 goes to CaCO3 calcium carbonate plus H2 Neeru water. White precipitate. Question number 9. A knife which is used to cut some fruit was immediately dipped into water containing drop of blue litmus solution. If the color of the solution is changed to red, what inference can be drawn about the nature of fruit and why? 1 mark question. Right answer. The fruit is acidic because acidic solution changes blue litmus solution to red. Question number 10. Take about 5 ml of dilute sulfuric acid in a test tube and add a few pieces of zinc granules to it. What do you observe on the surface of zinc granules? Right answer. Hydrogen gas bubbles are seen on the surface of zinc granules. As hydrogen gas passes through the soap solution, soap bubbles filled with hydrogen rises up. See question. Why are the bubbles formed in the soap solution? Right answer. When hydrogen is passed through the soap solution, hydrogen does not get dissolved in it, and this gas tries to escape from the solution into the environment. When it reaches the upper surface of soap solution, it escapes as bubbles because in soap solution it has less space, but as it entered the air, it got more space to spread. Test question: what do you observe when a burning candle is taken near a gas filled bubbles? When the soap bubbles are ignited with a burning candle, the bubble bursts and gas present in it catches fire with a pop sound. What do you observe when acid like Cl, HNO3 and CH3COH are taken instead of sulfuric acids? Right answer. The same observation is seen when sulfuric acid is replaced with HCl, HNO3 and CH3COH. 4 marks questions. Take 2 ml of dilute NaHCO solution in NaOH solution in test tube and 2 drops of phenolphthalein solution is added to it. 4 marks question. First question: what is color of solution? Color of solution is pink. Second one, B1 question: when dilute HCl solution is added to the above solution drop by drop, is there any color change for the reaction mixture? Right answer. If dilute HCl is added to the solution, then the color of the solution fades. If we keep on adding HCl, the solution becomes colorless. C question: why did the color of phenolphthalein change after the addition of an acid? Right answer. HCl being a strong acid will neutralize NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Does the pink color of the phenolphthalein reappears? If a few drops of NaOH, sodium hydroxide, are added again to the same solution, the solution becomes basic and the color of phenolphthalein reappear. Question number 12. A student dropped a few pieces of marble in dilute HCl contained test tube. The evolved gas passing through lime water. 2 marks question. First question: what change would be observed in the lime water? Lime water turns milky. Write the balanced chemical equation for the above change. CaCO3 plus 2HCl goes to CaCl2 plus H2O plus CO2. Question number 13. The pH values of 4 solutions A, B, C and D are 5, 12, 8 and 9 respectively. Arrange them in the increasing order of their hydroxy ion concentration. Which solution among them has strong acidic property? Explain what happens if our mouth is pH of solution A. 3 marks question. Increasing order of hydroxy ions concentration: A is greater than C, C is greater than D, D is greater than B. Solution A has strong acidic property. Tooth decay starts. Question number 14. When sulfuric acid is added to 1 gram solid sodium chloride taken in a test tube, which gas is liberated? What change do you observe when you test tube? The gas will dry and wet litmus paper. What conclusion do you draw from this experiment? 3 marks question. HCl gas is liberated. It does not change the color of dry litmus paper but changes the color of wet litmus paper. Conclusion: hydrogen ions in HCl are produced in the presence of water. The separation of H plus ions from HCl molecules does not occur in the absence of water. Question number 15. What happens if too much acid is produced in the stomach? What is the remedy for these situations? When too much acid is produced in the stomach causes pain and irritation, using antacids like milk of magnesia is a remedy for these conditions. Question number 16. Plaster of Paris should be stored in a moisture proof container. Why? One more question. Because plaster of Paris absorbs moisture from the surroundings atmosphere to form hard solid known as gypsum. Question number 17. Fresh milk has a pH of 6. How do you think the pH will change as it turns into curd? As milk changes to curd, the pH will be reduced because curd is acidic in nature. Question number 18. Milkman adds a very small amount of baking soda to fresh water. 2 marks question. A question. Why does he shift the pH of the fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkaline? Second one. Why does this milk take a long time to set as curd? Right answers. The milkman shift of the pH of the fresh milk from the 6 to slightly alkaline because in the alkaline condition milk does not set as curd. Since the milk is slightly basic, lactic acids produced to the set curd are neutralized by the base. Therefore, it takes longer time for the curd to set. Question number 19. Give reasons. Acid must be added to the water and not vice versa during dilution. Or while diluting an acid, why it is recommended that the acid should be added to water and not water to the acid. The process of dissolving an acid or a base in water is highly exothermic. If water is added to the concentrated acid, the heating generated may cause the mixture to splash out and cause burns. The glass container may also break due to excess heating. Question number 20. Why does the medium become acidic in mouth? What are the ill effects of this acidic medium? How can it prevent? Or sweet tooth may lead to tooth decay. Explain why. What is the role toothpaste in preventing cavities? Or how does enamel undergo damage due to eating chocolates and sweets? Why should it be done to prevent it? 2 marks question. Tooth enamel is chemically calcium phosphate. Sugar present in chocolates and sweet gets broken to acids by bacteria present in the mouth. It starts corroding when pH falls below 5.5. Food particles in the mouth degrades to produce acid, which lowers the pH of the mouth. Doctors advise the use of paste to prevent tooth decay because these are alkaline and neutralize acid produced. Question number 21. A student accidentally touches a nettle plant while trickling. How can you help to reduce the pain and irritation caused by it? 1 mark question. The leaves of nettle plant have stinging hair which releases methanoic acids. We can neutralize the pain and irritation of the acid by rubbing the area with the leaf of dock plant. Dock plant produces base which neutralizes the acid. Question number 22. Pi solutions A, B, C, D, and E, when tested with universal indicators, showed pH as 4, 1, 11, 7, and 9 respectively. Which solution is a neutral? B question strongly alkaline, C question strongly acidic, D question weakly acidic, E question weakly alkaline. Arrange the pH in increasing order of hydrogen ion concentration. First answer, solution D is neutral, pH value is 7. Solution C is strongly alkaline, pH L1. Solution B is strongly acidic, pH 1. Solution A is weakly acidic, pH 4. Solution E is weakly alkaline, pH 9. pH in increasing order of hydrogen ions concentration is pH L1 is greater than pH 9 is greater than pH 7 greater than pH 4 greater than pH 1. Question number 23. Kamala was playing in the garden. She was stung by wasps. Her mother immediately applied a coating of toothpaste on the affected area and then took her to doctor. What does wasp sting contain? What did her mother apply toothpaste on the affected area? 2 marks questions. Right answer. A answer. Wasp sting contains venom which is acidic. Second one, the toothpaste is basic in nature, so on the applying it on the affected area, it neutralizes the effect of acidic wasp sting. Question number 24. In the chloralkali process of manufactures of sodium hydroxide, name the gas produced at the cathode and anode. At which electrode is sodium hydroxide formed? 2 marks questions. Right answer. A answer. Chlorine gas is given off at the anode and hydrogen gas at the cathode. B question. Sodium hydroxide is formed at the cathode. Question number 25. What effect does the concentration of H plus ions have on the nature of solution? Concentration of H plus can have a varied effect on the nature of solution. With an increase in H plus ion concentration, the solution becomes more acidic, while a decrease of H plus ions causes an increase in the basicity of the solution. Question number 26. Does basic solution also have H plus ions? If yes, then why are these basic in nature? Yes, basic solutions also has H plus ions, however their concentration is less as compared to the concentration of OH minus ions that makes the solution basic. Question number 27. What happens when a solution of acid is mixed with the solution of base in the test tube? Name these reactions. 2 marks questions. Salts and water formation takes place, temperature increases. This reaction is called neutralization reactions. Dear students, if you have any doubts in this chapter, applied question answers, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.